Question number 24. Suppose now we are in 2020. A medical research team models the probability of flu infection based on patients' past vaccination records. If the patient is vaccinated in 2019, then the infection probability is estimated as 1%. If the patient got its last vaccine shot in 2018, then the infection probability is estimated as 5%. If the patient is not vaccinated in the last 2 years, like 2018 and 2019, then the infection probability is estimated as 10%. So, according to Health Ministry records, 50% of the population was vaccinated in 2019. 30% has got their last vaccine shot in 2018. If we observe that the person in this population is infected, then what's the probability that this person has not been vaccinated in the last 2 years? Okay. So let's V1, V2, and V3 denote the person its last vaccine in 2019, 2018, and before respectively. So the information is already given. If probability of V1 is 50%, as you can see in here, population was 50% of the population was vaccinated in 2019, which is 1 year before to 2020. This one stands for that one. And probability of V2 is 0.3, and probability of V3, the remaining part, is 0.2. So let's I denote the patient got the flu. Patient catches flu in the incoming winter. So then we know probability of the patient is sick and vaccinated in 2019 is 0.01, which is 1%. So probability of patient is sick and vaccinated in 2018 is 0.05, and probability of the patient is sick and he got his vaccination before 2018 is 0.10%. Okay, so we need to calculate what's the probability that this person has not been vaccinated in the last 2 years. And if we observe that the person is infected. Okay, so we need to calculate this one. We know the person is sick and vaccinated before 2018. Let's open it up. This can be calculated by using generalized Bayes formula. Okay, so probability of V3 multiplied by probability of sick, given that V3, and in the denominator we need to sum them up. Probability of V1 multiplied by probability of sync, given that V1, plus probability of V2 multiplied by probability of I, known that V2, plus probability of V3 multiplied by probability of sync, given that V3. Okay, let's put the probabilities. 0.2 multiplied by 10% in the denominator part. Probability of V1 was 0.5 multiplied by 0.01 plus probability of V2 multiplied by 0.05 plus 0.2 multiplied by 0.1, and the answer is 0.02 divided by 0.04, which is 0.5, 50%.